Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn how to create the class and object in Java. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here I use simple notepad to type our Java program. So yes, first that is we have to specify the public and then class, and we can create the class that an object that is our class name. So yes, we can also give the uh, create, yes, create CLS, that is our class name, and you can give the any testing simple. So that is a better we have to provide like simple. And now what to do? So yes, first we can public static void main, and then can pass the one argument args, and then we can specify that is we can give one message system dot out dot println or print only. So yes, that testing. So you have to know that is first our hello world. But now how to create this class object? So here we can define the void, and we can give the show and message print to directly in this method. So I cut this testing, cut and give this message to show, and now we can create this class object. So that simple s1 and new keyword, and that is a simple, and that we provide the s1 dot show method we have to call. So here that is how to create the class. Yes, here our simple same class. So now I can which save this file to our particular folder, and that is a Java Pro, and that class name is a simple. Yes, that is a already name is there. So we can give the testing. Yes, here I change the name test. Okay, so first letter is CLS test, class test. Yes, that type of, and dot is Java extension. So CLS test, that is our file name. So I can change, yes, CLS test, and same here we have to change, that is a class name because simple is already there. So CLS test, that is our class name. Here also I specify CLS test, and here I provide the T1, yes, testing. So I give the T1 object name. So yes, according to our requirement I change, and now minimize this notepad, and we can go the those shells. C command prompt, that is those shell, or we can say that those prompt. Yes, now that open, and what to do? So cd slash and f colon Java, it's Java Pro and Java path. Yes, sir, that you know. I create the batch file Java path, and then Java C is, and we can say CLS test dot Java. So that compile. Yes, that takes some time. Yes, compile successfully, and now we can launch CLS test. So you can look testing, that is print the message. So how simple way we have to create our same class, that object, and one method that is show, and we can call. And now I can use the constructor. So I replace that method as a CLS test constructor. So that we have to print the message. Same, I save again, and let us compile and run. First compile. Yes, yes, here that is a call, that is a constructor. So we can just object created that not require show is we have to by comment line as save, and when we can create the object, so that constructor is automatically called. So default constructor, and you can also specify the parameterized constructor. So now look, no any error, and same. So yes, that is my goal. So how to create the class object and how to constructor, that is default constructor. Next up, we have to also use parameterized constructor. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalekani, press the bell icon to never miss any update, and thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.